In this video, I am going to tell you how to change the date and time in LG TV and add timer in LG TV. So first of all, you can see this is my LG TV and I need to go to the settings of my TV. From my TV remote, I need to press settings. Then I need to scroll down and look for all settings options. So I need to go to general option and you can see the option of timer in general. So just press on time and herein you can set time automatically. You can see you can turn it on or turn it off, or if you want to custom time, then you need to go to the time option. You can change it from here as well. You can change the date and change the time from here, or either you can go for automatically. So I hope friends now you will be able to change the date and time in your LG TV. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.